Hello, this is Stephen Muers from Big Society Capital. As many of you will have heard, I was appointed permanently to the role of CEO here in May, and I'm delighted and honoured to have the opportunity to lead this fantastic team and fantastic organisation in the months and years going forward. I'm just sharing a short video update today on 3 areas we've been working on: around mission, around culture and around investment. Looking at mission, we've just published our 2020 annual review, looking back at the extraordinary and unpredictable year that 2020 was, where we all had to rise to the challenge of tackling a global pandemic. And the annual review sets out a bit of what we try to do with partners to put in place measures to help the social sector and social impact investors weather the storm and come out the other side. We're now trying to look to the future and working on what our goals might be and ambitions over the next 5 years, and we'll set out more on this in the coming months. Looking at culture, the big challenge has been working remotely at home, through screens, through Zoom, through Teams and all these other measures. As you can see, I'm filming this from our office today, which we are starting to reuse in a controlled and restricted way, and trying to reconnect in person with the team and with all of our partners, because it's simply seeing people in person is so much better than all mediating through screens. So I look forward to seeing some of you in person increasingly over the coming months. Turning to investments, we're continuing to make a range of exciting investments in opportunities where we see the potential for real social impact and changing systems for the better. For example, we've recently invested in Bulletin Capital's Growth Fund, which I think is a real symbol of how the venture capital ecosystem is increasingly taking impact seriously and backing innovative models that are addressing serious social challenges. We've also launched a new partnership with government to put in place secure and affordable housing for people who would otherwise be at risk of homelessness or living in unsuitable accommodation. Finally, as most of you will be aware, we successfully launched the Schroders BSc Social Impact Trust in December last year, and another focus this year will be, over time, raising more capital for that. That's all I wanted to say today, so I hope you're all well, enjoying some relaxation of COVID restrictions, and as always, if you've got ideas for how you can work with BSc to support our mission and how we can support you in your work to increase impact across the UK, please get in touch with me or with any of the team. Thank you.